Right, I've got a few delays on a couple of things with my CB750K0. So what I thought I'd do is actually get on and have a look at what I can do with the seat. Now, this seat obviously has been structured into a king and queen one. It's probably was a very good quality one at the time. And it seems to be on the base of what I think is probably a later base off a K2 or a K3. However, the hinges fit. I'm sure I'll be able to get the right fastener, so I am going to use this base. I have managed to buy a cover. And actually this came from Vietnam, of all places, during the Corona crisis, but it arrived. Only took about 2 weeks in transit, quite pleased. So what I'm going to do is remove this cover, have a look at what's happened with the foam. I suspect it's foam that's specifically custom for this particular cover. What I'll do then is I'm going to look at reshaping the foam. I think that there's a sufficient in there to cut it down. So I'm going to measure it and cut it down. I think that this bit may give me enough to fill any gap that there is here. And when I previously remodeled the seat, which I did for a Harley shovel head about 5 or 6 years ago, what I did was I made the surface a little bit lower, and then I covered it with a yoga mat type material, quite a firm foam, stuck on, reshaped, gave a nice smooth top to it. So that's the kind of thing I'm hoping to do. Probably won't get all this done in one go, so might be a bit disjointed this video because I may have had to let time roll on a bit, but we'll see how it goes. Right, so I've taken off the beading, which I'm hoping to reuse, and what I've done is I pulled the clamps back just a little bit, and this was glued on. Whoever did this originally did a really good job. I suspect it was a professional job. I've peeled it all back now, it was glued, and what I'm going to do now is to take off the cover and have a look at the foam. Now, there's already been some bits and pieces dropped off here. So I'm going to do this outside so that I don't get into too much trouble. So, got it in the workshop. What I'm going to do now is, using a hacksaw blade, I'm just going to try and take off the excess foam. Not going to go mad. What I'm trying to do is just so that it's roughly the right shape. I've already had a bit of a start on this just to see. Cuts easily enough. Trick is not to cut off too much first of all. It's easier to shape what's there than what isn't. I've roughly shaped it. What I'm going to do now is just see how the cover fits over what's there. I think I'm going to have to take quite a bit more off, but slowly, catchy monkey. As you can see, try to get it on reasonably evenly on both sides. So the front actually needs quite a bit cutting down. The back looks reasonably okay. I think it's the ducktail effect. But yeah, I can see it coming along. I just need to cut it down a bit more and we'll see how that goes. Right, I think I've shaped it enough now. Yeah, I could pull this on and fasten these, yeah, so I could actually get that on. Same here. Problem I've got is obviously I need to stick this down, but it's a rough surface. I've got the duck's tail. Maybe I just need to cut a little bit more into there. Not sure. Yeah, but that's looking okay. And if you're wondering what the surface looks like, it's like the moon at the moment. What I need to do is now smooth this as much as I can. I'm going to see what I can do with a wire brush or something like that. Something gentle. Take off these edges, smooth off all the lines, keep it as flat as I can. Might not even need to put anything in there, which is quite surprising when a time I've smoothed this off. I think it's going to be okay. Well, it's coming along pretty well, I think. Tidying it up, making sure it's not too rough on this surface. I've done this side more. I haven't touched that side yet. I think I'll get this smooth enough so that underneath a little bit of thin foam on top, it should actually look fine. And the tool I've been using to do this has been something I use to take off rust usually, but just gently running it along the surface takes off just enough. Don't let it dig in, and smooth the corners off. I think I'm going to be there with this. Well, what I've done is I've flattened this as much as I can now. It's not perfect. Never, you know, you'd have to be better than me to get it absolutely perfect. But to give it a better surface underneath the seat cover, I've got some upholstery foam, only very thin, just to fit over. It's not very firm stuff, because what I want it to do is to settle into the humps and bumps underneath the cover so they don't show through. Oh well, they shouldn't show through anyway. And I'm going to stick that onto there and shape it. Use some industrial strength glue to stick it on. I've done this before. I did it with the Harley seat that I recovered, and it worked out quite well. Stuck that on okay. Yeah, it's not going to pull off very easily. I'll just perhaps give it a bit more of a trim around the edges, and then what I'll do is I'll get the cover and I'll stick the cover on. Now the cover will require some spray glue as well, because that's a hollow. It'll need sticking down into that, and you don't want it to stick too soon because you need to be able to make sure you get it on at the edges. But we'll see how we go with that. Should be okay. Right, well, that's got it on. Not perfect, I suspect, but I tell you what, it's not bad. I've seen far worse. Notice that the Honda is not perhaps quite as square as it could be. However, if I don't tell anyone, they probably won't notice it on the bike. I think it's the way it was printed. It's stuck down okay. What I need to do now, get the strap on, try it on the bike. Well, overall, I'm quite happy with the seat. I did learn a couple of lessons. One of them was maybe look at putting some foam down the sides, because the foam on the actual seat pad is here and then you've got the seat pan underneath. You can see a gap, and it's probably no worse than it was with the other seat cover that was on here. The second was looking at the Honda at the back. I'll show you another picture of that in a little bit. It's a little bit not, you know, horizontal, but it's okay. I'm going to finish at that and say that's pretty much a done job. I may peel it back, put some foam in, may have a little bit more of a go with that. But remember, I've stuck this down now. I don't want to keep peeling it off. Put the strap on, that's worked out a treat. Put the hinges in. I've now got a usable seat. I mean, I've seen worse looking seats on the pictures on the fronts of books actually. Take a look. So, that's it for this time. Take care.